Hey, this is Don from Padlock Technologies again with a quick video actually. I mean, lab video, quick video, whatever you want to call it, it's a quick video. So this video is based on a question that I just got asked in the email, and it's going to be linked in descriptions. If you want to send me an email, you can just click that link and I'll answer it. But I decided to do a video on this one. So this is about Eve, our encryption visibility engine. Great feature on the FTD, but most people are like, okay, what do I do with it? So first things first, Eve encryption visibility engine, Eve. I did a video on what it is and why you would use it, right? But long story short is it is a way to identify applications without doing SSL decryption. Eve and SSL decryption are two different things. So please do not confuse the two because Eve does not do SSL decryption. All right. And then what you would do with Eve is once you identify certain applications, you can create rules on them, right? So think of it as N bar for the FTD. So what I'm going to show you in here is I'm going to show you the menu or what it looks like in the FTD, and I'm going to show you how to enforce anything that you find in Eve. So first things first, you have to turn Eve on in the ACP. If you do not turn encryption visibility engine on in the ACP in the advanced settings, none of this is going to work. So make sure you do that first. So once you turn it on and some traffic goes through, what's going to happen here is you will go to switch the dashboard over here, go to your application statistics, and then it's going to be you'll have these three tabs here, and then one of them is going to be encryption visibility engine. And then you will see this, stuff like this. If you don't turn it on in your ACP, you will not see any of this in this tab. You pretty much won't see anything, right? And then you can't do anything with it. But once you have Eve on and you see some things going through, as you can see, I got a bunch of Office applications, Facebook Messenger, general DMs, generic DMZ traffic. Now, this is not perfect, right? Won't find it'll give some weird names, and you just got to go and look at it some more. You have Docker, you have Firefox, you have some WebEx stuff, you have Windows Defenders, some Zscaler tunneling, Chrome browser. This Chromium browser is basically Chrome, and then you have secure endpoints, which it's on my machines. So now that you see some of this stuff, how do you enforce it? Well, it's really simple. You go to the policy. We'll go to any policy you want here. I will use, let's do the UK over here. So I'll use here. We'll go into that ACP. And let's just say we want to enforce something. Now, I do have everything going through Umbrella, so this is not really going to take effect, but I'm going to put this in a category here. We'll just call this Eve enforcement or Eve. So we'll create that and then we'll create a rule, right? So what we're going to do is test Eve rule. Test Eve rule, real bad description, but I'm just doing this for uh, lab purposes. So we'll do from WAN or LAN to WAN. I'm not going to do this. This is just a test rule, and I'm going to delete this right after this. I'm not going to actually put any kind of IPS or malware on there. Now, what we want to do is let's go to network, and we're going to make this a little bit more secure and not say any. We'll just do RFC 1918s. But the key here is when you want to enforce Eve in the rule set, you go to applications, and then see, you got user created filters. We don't have to worry about that because that's based on application filters. There should be a category in here called Eve. Where is this thing at? Let's type in Eve. That should be somewhere in here because there will be a button here. And usually this happens where, let's see, user created fields. Nope, I already did that. Type, I'm going to category and see if I can find Eve here because usually when I type in Eve, it shows up. Now, normally what should happen is there should be something called Eve, Eve or encrypted visibility engine here. And I'm not sure if I turned it on in the UK version, so I may have to go to one of them where I said Eve. Let's go down here. Tag. There it is. They always hide this thing. So here we go. Encrypted visibility engine. Now, before I used to be able to just type in Eve and encryption visibility engine would come up, but apparently it didn't do it this time. So we're just going to go through. So Eve encrypted visibility engine. Here's all the things that were found by the uh, encrypted visibility engine. So let's say I wanted to block any desk, right? If I wanted to block any desk, I'm going to add that here. I'm going to change this to a block. And we'll do block with reset. And then we'll log it. So basically what this is going to do is it is going to block the AnyDesk application that Eve found based on, looking at the TLS handshake, realize, oh, AnyDesk, this is an AnyDesk application based on the handshake and what it saw. So what we're going to do here is we're going to, anybody that's RFC 18 going from LAN to WAN, so if it's going out to the internet for AnyDesk, I'm going to block it. All right. And then we'll just hit add. Now, here's our block with reset rule that, if I save it here and I push it out, what will happen is if anybody tries to use AnyDesk to go outside of your network, going out to the internet per se to get to their like home machine, because a lot of people do that. They'll install like, Team Viewer and all this stuff on their home machine, and then they'll be team viewing or AnyDesking from, your headquarters to their home machine using AnyDesk or any one of these, remote desktop control applications. It will block it immediately based on the fact that Eve saw it, and now you can create policy based on what it saw. Again, it was hidden in a little place normally in the older version of the console, of the FMC console. I could just type in Eve and it came up, but we found it. So you got to see it live where it was at. So that's Eve enforcement. That's how you enforce, Eve on an ACP rule. Hopefully this video was informative. It was real quick because the question is real easy to answer. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe. Hope this video was informative. This is Don from Padlock Technologies. Thank you and have a nice day.